34.
Damn, 34? Your grandchild? You got any great yet?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Gee, you're old. I didn't know you were old.
Come here, May May.
Well, I said if I'd known you were going to do this,
May May.
I would let you cut my grass. Really? You know something? You must go be a politician.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Yeah, really.
Come on. Run that way. No, get up. Run that way.
Run.
What's that? Come on, Mimi. Ah! she went up and told him how she really felt. Both hands, not just one. No.